Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. I did a total of 2 transactions. These deals started today, which is November 19th, and they are good up until Saturday, November 25th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay guys, so in my first transaction, I grabbed the Bounce Dryer Sheets, Tide Liquid, Downy Fabric Softener, Tide Pods, 4 of the Crest mouthwash, and then 2 of the Dawn dish soaps. So, starting out with the Bounce, Tide, and Downy, those products are priced at $5.49 each. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So what you want to do is purchase 4 select items priced at $5.49, and that's going to bring your total to $21.96. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Bounce Dryer Sheets, a $1.50 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Tide Liquid, $1 digital coupon for the Downy Fabric Softener, and $1.50 digital for the Tide Pods. So that's a total of $5 in digital coupons. So $21.96 minus the $5 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $16.96. And then I did receive back my $5 registry reward for purchasing 4, bringing my total down to $11.96 for all 4. Or it makes each one just $2.99. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Dawn dish soaps priced at $1.24. You want to purchase 2, and that's going to bring your total to $2.48. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $1 registry reward. So your total for both is $2.48. You will receive back a $1 registry reward, bringing your total down to $1.48 for both, or it makes each one just 74 cents. And then lastly, in this transaction, I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of the Crest Clean Mint Mouthwash, and this is the 8.4 ounce. I grabbed 4 of those, and they are priced at Walgreens for $3. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $6 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 4 at $3, and that's going to bring your total to $12. We do have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $12 minus the $6 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $6. And then you are going to receive this $6 registry reward, making all 4 completely free. Now you can also choose select Crest toothpaste priced at $3 and or B toothbrushes, but I chose to get the mouthwash. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. And for my digital booster, I had a digital booster get $10 when you spend $35. To get $10 Walgreens cash when you spend $35. So here's my receipt. There's both of my done at $124, so $248. Tide Liquid $5.49, Downy Fabric Softener $5.49. Bounce Dryer Sheets $5.49, Tide Pods $5.49, and then there are all 4 of my Crest priced at $3, so $12 total. In this transaction, I did use 2 registry rewards. I used a $3 registry reward and a $15 registry reward. There's my $6 digital for the Crest, $1.50 digital for the Tide Pods, $1.50 for the Tide Liquid, and then both of my $1 digital coupons, one for Bounce and the other for the Downy Fabric Softener. So that brought my subtotal to $7.44. I did use my PayPal debit card to pay for that. And then when you look down here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $10.36. Now, my total came out to be $7.44, but of course I have to add back in that $18 in registry rewards that I used. So with me adding those registry rewards back in, my total was $25.44 for all of this. And then I got back the $10.36 in Walgreens cash. And that brought my total down to $15.08 for all of these items. And then I got back a total of $12 in registry rewards. I got back my $5 registry reward for the Tide, Bounce, and Downy, $1 registry reward for the Dawn dish soap. And then I got back my $6 registry reward for the Crest. So that's $12 in registry rewards, bringing my grand total down to just $3.08 for my first transaction. So that was a fantastic deal. Not free, but it was still a great deal because the retail price was $36.44, but I ended up only paying $3.08. And my out of pocket was low. I only paid $7.44, which was great. So that is everything in my first transaction, you guys. So now let's go ahead and move on over to my second transaction. So in my second transaction, I went ahead and I did the Tide deal again. I went ahead and grabbed another Tide Pods, Bounce Dryer Sheets, Tide Liquid, and Downy Fabric Softener. And then I also grabbed 2 more Dawn dish soaps, and I grabbed these Huggies wipes, the Huggies Nourish and the Huggies Calm. I've already explained the Tide deal in the first transaction, so I won't explain that again. And then I also explained the Dawn transaction. I won't explain that again. But I did get the registry reward for the Tide Bounce Downy. And then I also did get my registry reward for the Dawn dish soap. So with the Huggies, these are priced at Walgreens at 2 for $16. I had a $3 IBC coupon on my account, and then I also had a $3 manufacturer coupon on my account for these wipes. So $16 minus the $3 IBC coupon, that brought my total down to $13, minus the $3 manufacturer coupon digital, that brought my total down to $10. And then IBOTTA does have a rebate for 50 cents back. And that was a limit of, I want to say 5, but I only grabbed 2. So I got 50 cents times 2 back, which makes $1. So I got back $1 from IBOTTA, bringing my total down to just $9 for both packages. And then the same thing on this account, I was working with the digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. So now, let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So there's the Tide Pods, $5.49, Tide Liquid, $5.49, Bounce Dryer Sheets, $5.49, Downy Fabric Softener, $5.49. Both of my Dawn dish soaps at $1.24, so $2.48 total. And there's both packages of my Huggies wipes at $8 a piece, 2 for $16. And then the store IVC, the $1.50 came off of one package, and the $1.50 came off my second package. In this transaction, I also used 2 registry rewards, a $3 registry reward and a $15 registry reward. There's my $3 digital for the Huggies, my $1.50 for the Tide Liquid, $1.50 for the Tide Pods, and both of my $1 for the Downy Fabric Softener and Bounce. So it brought my subtotal to $11.44. And right here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $10.37. So $11.44 is what I paid out of pocket, but of course I have to factor back in the $18. So when I factor back in that $18, my actual total was $29.44, minus the $10.37 that I got back in Walgreens cash. That brought my total down to $19.07. Then I got back a total of $6 in registry rewards, 5 for the Tide Downy Bounce, and 1 for the Dawn dish soap. So that brought my grand total down to $13.07. And then I did get back that $1 on IBOTTA for both packages of the Huggies wipes. So that brought my grand total down to $12.07 for my second transaction. So in my first transaction, I paid $3.08. And then in my second transaction, $12.07. So when you add those both together, my grand total for all of these items right here was $15.15. I have a total of 18 items. When I divide that by these 18 items, it makes each item just 84 cents, which is a fantastic deal for both transactions because retail price for my first transaction was $36.44. Second transaction was $40.44. That's a total of $76.88. But I was able to get everything for just $15.15. On top of my out-of-pocket being low, first transaction I paid $7.44. Second transaction I paid $11.44. So I am very, very happy with both of these transactions today. And I am so happy to go ahead and get this stuff posted on Facebook Marketplace. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys are getting this week from Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I did submit both of my receipts. One of my receipts, I got back just 25 points. And then on my second receipt with the Huggies wipes, I think I got like 130 points back. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that link down in the description box below. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is about $2. Also, if you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that link down in my description box as well. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10. I haven't checked in a while. You will either receive $5 or $10 for using my code. So yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video.